Hey everyone, you're sitting at your desk, trying to remember a crucial piece of financial information, your Acorns account number. Hook. It's like trying to recall the name of a childhood friend you haven't seen in decades. You know it's there, somewhere, but it just won't come to mind. Building context. Acorns, the popular micro-investing app, has made it incredibly easy to start investing. But when you need to access your account details, like your account number, it can sometimes feel like a treasure hunt. Question. So, can you actually check your Acorns account number online? Let's find out. Answer: yes, you can. The good news is, yes, you can check your Acorns account number online. It's a simple process that can be done in just a few steps. Step-by-step guide. Open the Acorns app. The first step is to open the Acorns app on your smartphone or tablet. Navigate to your profile. Look for the profile icon, usually located in the bottom right corner of the app. Tap on it to access your profile settings. Find Account Settings. Within your profile settings, you should find an option labeled Account Settings or something similar. Tap on it to proceed. Locate account number. Once you're in the Account Settings section, look for a field or option that displays your account number. It might be labeled Account Number, Investment Account Number, or something similar. Additional tips. Check your account summary. If you can't find the account number directly in the account settings, try checking your account summary. This is usually accessible from the main dashboard of the Acorns app. Contact Acorns support. If you're still having trouble finding your account number, don't hesitate to reach out to Acorns customer support. They can assist you in locating the information you need. Security considerations. Protect your account number. Remember to treat your account number with the same level of security as your password. Never share it with anyone you don't know or trust. Avoid phishing scams. Be wary of emails or calls claiming to be from Acorns asking for your account number. These could be phishing attempts designed to steal your personal information. Conclusion. Checking your Acorns account number online is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few minutes. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you should be able to locate your account number without any hassle. Call to action. If you're still unsure about how to find your Acorns account number, don't hesitate to leave a comment below or reach out to Acorns customer support. They're there to help. Closing. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.